Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn verb tenses that will help you sound more confident, natural, and fluent in everyday conversations. Make sure to watch till the end because these sentences are super useful in real-life situations. 1. Simple present. Usage, general truths, habits, repeated actions. He walks. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. We study daily. She plays the piano. 2. Simple past. Usage, completed actions at a specific past time. He walked yesterday. The bus arrived late. I saw a movie last night. They finished the project. 3. Simple future. Usage, planned actions, promises, predictions. He will walk tomorrow. It will rain later. I will call you. We shall overcome. 4. Present continuous. Usage, actions happening now, current trends. He is walking. I am working.
They are studying. She is singing. 5. Past continuous. Usage, interrupted past actions, concurrent events. He was walking when it rained. I was watching TV. They were talking. We were eating dinner. 6. Future continuous. Usage, actions in progress at a future time. He will be walking. This time next year, I will be working. They will be competing. We will be sleeping. Right side. Perfect and perfect continuous tenses. 7. Present perfect. Usage, completed actions with relevance to now. He has walked. I have eaten. She has seen it. They have already arrived. 8. Past perfect. Usage, actions completed before another past action. He had walked before the rain. I had already finished. The plane had taken off. We had met earlier. 9. Future perfect. Usage, actions completed by a specific future time. He will have walked by 5 p.m. I will have graduated by then. She will have sent the email. They will have sold it. 10. Present perfect continuous. Usage, actions that started past and continue now. He has been walking. I have been waiting for hours. We have been studying. She has been working hard. 11. Past perfect continuous. Usage, perfect continuous. Actions in progress interrupted by another. He had been walking for miles when he stopped. I had been waiting before the call. They had been talking. We had been driving.
12. Future perfect continuous. Usage, perfect continuous. Future actions in progress continued until a point. He will have been walking. I will have been working there for 10 years. We will have been running. She will have been cooking. Great job. Try to practice these sentences every day to make them a natural part of your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.